Not only is Xizang a historically inaccurate word, but Bhutan, of course, is a country that supports human rights.
Bhutan just handed China exactly what it wants.
Today we're heading to the Bhutanese Consulate in New York to hand deliver a letter signed by over 140 Tibet organizations condemning Bhutan's recent use of Xizang to refer to Tibet.
Just days ago, Bhutan's Foreign Ministry issued a press release promoting a cultural performance from a group from Xizang Autonomous Region of the People's Republic of China. This isn't just semantics. This is about survival. China is on a mission to wipe Tibet off the map, from stripping 1 million Tibetan children of their identity in colonial boarding schools to pushing global institutions and governments to adopt Xizang.
But Xizang doesn't exist. Tibet does. Tibetans do. Not only is Xizang a historically inaccurate word, but Bhutan, of course, is a country that supports human rights, has an obligation on the international stage to respect international norms, and Xizang has not been accepted as a term for Tibet anywhere. It has not been solely imposed by the Chinese government.
This whole meeting, he will relate to them.
Okay, terrific.
From New Delhi to New York, Tibet activists and support groups have joined forces, contacting Bhutan's foreign minister and hand-delivering letters to their embassies all week.
We implore the Bhutanese Foreign Ministry to stand on the side of truth, to stand up for Tibet. Pegyalo.